Here are 4 Disney Plus hacks I bet you didn't know about, and you should try them right now. That's what this video is all about. Hello everyone, my name is Nick, and welcome back to Where to Stream, where we just go over absolutely everything that has to deal with streaming. Now, we're talking about new streaming services like NFL Plus. We're talking about how to stream stuff for free, like let's say Top Gun. And we are also talking about streaming hacks. Now, this is the second Disney Plus hack video that I've done. So if you want to see the first one, click that right up there. Now, if you like videos like this and you want to see more, help me on my whole YouTube journey. Hit that subscribe button. It greatly helps me out and I really appreciate it. And if you learned anything in this video, help me out, those YouTube gods. Hit that like button. And now let's get into it. All right, now the first hack that I want to talk about is how to watch it with your friends when you are not in the same room and you don't want to go through something like this. 3, 2, 1, play. Oh, come on, it still hasn't loaded. Mine's good. Now, there are Chrome extensions that have watch party stuff built in, but Disney Plus actually added in a watch party feature. So it's all in app. You don't need to download any extra, and it is really cool and really simple to use. All right, now the first thing that you want to do is find the movie that you and your friends want to watch. So let's say, just for this purpose, you wanted to watch Thor: Love and Thunder. Now, right next to the play button, there's a plus, but that's not what we want. We want to go right next to it where there's a couple people icons, and that is going to be Group Watch, or the watch party that is built in to Disney Plus. Now, it's really simple to use. All you're going to have to do is click it, and then it's going to go to the Group Watch page that it just created for you, and you can invite up to 6 people to watch this movie with you. Now, in order to invite your friends, you're going to click the little plus button right next to your icon, and then you're just going to copy the link and then send it to whoever that you want to invite. And after you do that, you can click start stream, and then now you have control over the streaming of this movie with everyone that you wanted to watch it with. So when you click pause, their video pauses. So when you click play, their video plays. Now, other ones have a lot more features than this one. This is just kind of like a video sync. Now, there's nothing wrong with that, but there's no chat, there's no video FaceTime element to it. So there's a lot that can be improved upon, but the fact that they let you do this is really cool, and it's a safe way during COVID and all that. It's a safe way to watch a film with your friends without being in the same room. A final really cool element to this is that if you switch, like let's say you're watching on the TV or you're watching on the computer, and you switch to your iPhone or you switch to another device, a notification will pop up right away that says you are in a group watch. Do you want to continue and watch or do something else? So it pops up right away. You don't have to tell it to do anything, and I think that is really cool. Now, when you're done, you could just exit the movie, or you can go and click leave group watch. Super simple, super easy. Let's get into the next one. All right, now the second hack that you might not know about is that you can download all of these movies, all of these TV shows offline. You can download them on a specific device, whether it's your tablet or your phone. You can download them and then watch them anywhere. If you're anywhere that doesn't have cell phone service, like let's say a plane or you're camping, you do not have to worry. You have them download on your phone and you can watch them offline. Now, to do this, it is very simple. All you're gonna do is go to the Disney Plus app. You're gonna find whatever movie that you want. So for this example, we're just gonna go to Hocus Pocus, and then to the right, there's just a download button, and then you're just gonna click download, and then it gets saved on this device within the app itself, and that's it. Then you could watch it wherever you want, whether you have internet access or you don't. This is also a very helpful feature if you have a lot of people that have access to your Disney Plus. This way, when you're offline, as many people can watch as many movies as they want. So it's a little bit of a hack, but offline viewing, really cool. Let's get into hack number 3. Now, the third hack is that you can watch different versions of films, like let's say IMAX enhanced, which is, I want to say 26% more of the image itself. It gives you a better picture, it gives you better pizza, it gives you better ingredients. Papa John's, just kidding. It gives you a better picture, it gives you a better resolution, better audio, all of that. So this is how you get to it. So for this example, let's just go to Black Widow. So what you're going to do is you're going to click Black Widow and then go to their homepage. And then once you do that, at the bottom, there's a versions tab. Now, once you click versions, you can see that there's a widescreen version, and then also there is an IMAX enhanced version. So not every movie has an IMAX enhanced version. A lot of the big budget ones do. So you just get more. You just get more. You just get better and you just get more. So if you like better and you want to see more with your favorite films, check out the versions tab and see if there's an IMAX enhanced or if there's a long, like an extended version. There's a lot of different edits that these movies pump out. So you never know what you're gonna find in the versions tab, but it is really cool that they added this in to Disney Plus and they just didn't leave you with just one option. So it is really cool. That was hack number 3. Let's go into hack number 4. All right, now the fourth and final hack that I want to go over is going to be bonus or secret footage. Now, back in the day, when you bought a DVD, you would just get access to a lot of secret content. You would get access to extra scenes, to directors' interviews, to pre-production, to behind-the-scenes stuff. Like there would just be just a whole library of stuff. And now some streaming services are adding in all of this bonus footage to the film homepage. So for this example, we're gonna go to Lightyear, and where you're gonna find all this bonus footage is you're gonna scroll down and then you're gonna click the extras tab. And once you click the extras tab, you could just scroll through everything that they have. There's some drawings, there's some interviews, there's extra scenes, like there's everything. It is really cool. I'm really happy that they do this. It was a really cool feature with DVDs back in the day, so I'm glad they are starting to incorporate that into streaming services. All right, and that is it. That's all I got for today's video. Now, this was a fun one. I'm watching more and more Disney Plus, so I'm learning so much. And it is fantastic. All right, now if you have any questions on anything that I said, you can either hit me up in the email in the description or just drop a comment. I will get to everything. Now again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.